Welcome to the GrillPro Universal Replacement Knob Assembly video. Please note, there are two common sizes of valve stems, large, which this unit replaces, and small, which it does not. The first and most important step to replacing your existing control knobs is identifying the style of knobs being replaced and the size of the valve stem. To do this, remove the knob that is being replaced and measure the exterior length and width of the valve stem. Please note the shape of the valve stem and knob to choose your replacement accordingly. Step 1. Before replacing your control knobs, ensure that your propane tank's valve is closed and regulator disconnected, or the natural gas line is turned off. Step 2. Make sure your existing control knobs are in the off position. Step 3. Remove the old control knob by gripping the knob firmly and pulling the control knob off of the valve stem. Step 4. Choose the appropriate valve stem length to mount the new control knob at approximately the same depth as the one being replaced. A side-by-side comparison with your existing knob is the best way to select the appropriate size. Step 5. Mount the control knob onto the valve stem to maintain the existing off position location. Step 6. Press the control knob in the off position to make sure that everything is in place. You may now reconnect your propane tank or turn your natural gas line back on. You are now ready to grill. If you have any further questions or concerns, email us, call our toll-free customer service number, or visit us at grillpro.com.